or we want to see entertainment, or we want information, we know they do it for halfway. They maximize everything. Now the reason why I talk say, I know they joke with my Wazobia Max TV for Port Harcourt here. You dey hear me, so don't touch that. Increase the volume and you watch us.
Wazobia Max TV na the station to watch you every day with your family. Leave am there. I'm Tupiruno, the Grand Prince of the Niger Delta, the Begaris himself. Keep watching Wazobia Max TV Port Harcourt.
Welcome back on top of the Good Morning NAIJA show. And this is now the top story segments. You know, so we do them every day now. For this top story segments, we go bring one ogbonge topic, we go touch light, and we'll go pieces some into different parts to make sure so you, way they watch us for us, you go feel understand them very well, and you go feel practice them and your life go feel better. Today on top of the top story segments, we talk about business. Everybody won't do business, but you don't understand, say, some business no day for you. And even how to start the business, and even the decisions where you need to make for your business to feel grow. Many people don't understand this one. And that's why we decided we want to discuss business and why business they fail on top of the Good Morning NAIJA show this morning. I will not go if you talk about this one alone, we get one ogbonge guest. But of course, the beautiful Okemutin Ngojo is our guest for us this morning.
All right, yes, so now time for us to tell you waiting they make businesses they fail and how your own business go fit survive even for this time. And with us for studio here, now the principal of Mario's Empire and the Olumati Company. This man now management consultant and also now music business executive. Now author, first when they write books and a public speaker. Wow. You say now, he title he plenty because now man will be man, when you go learn plenty things from. No other than Olumati Isaiah C.
Fireworks.
Very, as I call the name, you expect to see, calm down. We expect to see one old, mature man.
I think some people go say, nine be this.
Nine be this.
Well, when you start to talk, you go understand.
You go understand. Why we drag and come sit down with us on our couch this morning.
Morning. Thank you, Okemutie. Thank you, Wazobia Sunakari Miko.
Yes.
I try you.
You try.
All right.
All right, so we don't bring you come already.
Yes.
I want to discuss businesses and why businesses they fail.
Yes.
And this is our New Year 2018. Many people that have New Year resolution be say, they go start a business when they don't they plan to start since. Some people they save money now when they want to gather to start the business.
Yes.
Why some they still start the business already and before you know they go the way they plan. So first and foremost, we just talk about what the business be again.
Exactly.
Because when people say they do business, they don't know not be business they do.
Yes.
Now just play their day. What the business be?
It is when we carry matter enter waiting business be the ordinary person. In fact, even past ordinary person, even people where they university, the general idea be say business na how person they take carry waiting what they call goods and service, supply another person, then collect money.
Buying and selling.
Buying and selling. Now waiting everybody they call business. But truthfully, that idea no be waiting business be. Business in the easiest way where I go fit make business na attitude.
You don't talk another one again.
Business na the way person they behave.
Okay, so explain that one, break and down
Now,
for
you
us.
see, inside that thing, it dey complex. Business now your ability to look around, notice problem. That ability to look around, notice problem, na attitude we they call observe.
Okay.
To observe. After you notice the problem, another thing where if you do, we go make a more business, now to understand who that problem where you want solve go help.
Who you help?
If you don't see how you go help him, you go ask yourself, how in they think? Because if you bring the thing, he go help me. But the way why they think now, I no go see him the way they see him.
So you need to make a package and the way me say I go see say you think will really help me.
So everything where they see now, they describe one thing: attitude. Attitude.
This attitude way they talk about now waiting person they carry come as they born now.
Some people they carry and come now. No being don't come out to sing say I can't. Some people they carry and come. Some people, they learn them. Many things they influence them. Family background, they influence them. School where you go, they influence them. Environment where you stay, they influence them.
But anybody now if you do business?
Anybody and everybody fit do business. As long as you sabi wetin dem dey call the principles.
Okay, of business.
Of business.
So we just highlight just very briefly some of the principles.
Some of these principles of business. The most important principle where any business person suppose understand. The business, the product, or the service where they render. Now from you. Now you make them. Now you get them. But no be for you.
Okay. So now from you for somebody else.
Good. Now the moment you understand say now from you, but no be for you, you get things where you no go do again.
Like what?
For things like you no go insist say you must do them the way it go sweet you. No be you the user.
So you got to think about how you
have to think how it go take sweet the other person. How it go take make the other person move from point A to point B. So the business, not for you, not from you. But no the service, not from you. Remember, say business not two ways. It's either you dey supply goods or what they call products, or you dey supply service. That is work where they do for them. Inside that service, you get what people they call intangible. Be say you no go fit touch them. You fit no see them. But we go to feel the impact. We go to feel waiting the thing they do for us.
Okay, so how person fit take start business? Because I know say everybody wait on the hear. Now even people will say they don't get plan before say they want to do business. They hear all these sweet things where they talk now. See now they register for their mind say, I want to do business. I want to do business. So now person who want to do business, how if you take start business?
Well, if you will want to look person who want to do business and how you go fit start business, the truth be say, to start a business depend on individual.
Okay.
I know if you sit down and tell you, say, get one general idea where go just anybody fit do a work. We need to know the individual, that's the person who wants to start the business. Waiting the person wants to start.
So
before we consider,
so that will bring us to the question
before
of
we
say,
consider a whole lot of things.
how you go to know the business when they're right for
to
you?
start. But before we enter that side, make I also say, for when we want to start business, the first thing you need to decide now which business you want to do. And for somebody where they hope say the business go carry weight, you know, whether almost immediately as you start them or in the future, it is better and safe say you go register with government based on what they call CAC registration, Corporate Affairs Commission. You register the name. Nobody say tomorrow the thing they walk away. You wake up one day, one person come they follow you drag name. You enter court.
So even though saying just maybe small ball business, so you want to do one small thing for your backyard, now you want to start, is it advisable to make you register?
Very advisable, especially for people where they look say tomorrow this thing what they do go carry weight.
Okay. So for people who say their mindset now, I know so many people they believe for business now, say you must get your capital first. Yeah. What's be your idea about capital?
Well, you see, I fit no explain all the things where they inside. When people they talk capital, then they talk waiting what they call legal tender. That is money. You see, for the list of waiting I consider money to be, legal tender, which is money, not the list.
Not the last.
Not the last. Because in capital, your personality feel be capital.
Okay.
In capital, you get one book where I read. I like the way the book take enter, the intro. He say, thoughts are things. That is, waiting you they think. Now something.
Tangible.
I know that. Which book is that one?
The Richest Man in Babylon.
I can know that.
Thoughts are things. That's waiting you they think, not something. Waiting you they think, not capital. You understand? So now it depends the business. You get where I've been going. We can't talk some. We can't touch light some kind of matter like this where person they find work. Like some suggest to them say, see, you know get capital abi. Inside this estate where now they live. How many motor park here? See many motor. No be water be that.
Go wash up.
Wake up for morning, they wash up. You wash first day, wash second day, people come, they pay more. Business don't start. Where capital when you use?
No capital.
You get capital when you use?
So the
No
skill
capital.
first and then the
Skill
thought, the
first.
idea, the mindset.
Skill first.
So you don't even think as if you
Sometimes
want one.
people na capital. We go help you do it, come out waiting the people they call overhead costs.
So that people now, you mean relationship?
Relationship. Capital. You want to start small business now. You no get that money for grant to start up. But inside the business, I don't look and say, you see this business now. Asabi do this thing now. Asabi rose bole. But see Mayowa get charcoal, matches, and kerosene. He no sabi rose bole. Okemutie, she get one corridor where we go fit arrange ourselves. And she get plantain. Business don't start now. Now me sabi roast, sabi. Mayowa, bring fire, bring fuel. Okemutie, bring plantain. I dey for the center. As he come out, we share, everybody go.
We don't form empire with us.
Bam, business don't start. CEO, assistant CEO,
Director. So what do you talk? What do you talk now? It can't
Yes.
make me remember what somebody talks. Say one reason why we talk about Nigerians,
Yes.
not if they even start off or succeed for business. Because we think of how we want to make all the gain.
hey, eat everything,
by
chop the
ourselves.
pangolo.
You know, no, even make all the gain. Like you talk now, say if you start on like that, you share. I bring, you
relationship.
bring. You know, we share them.
Yes.
When you think of saying that only me must make everything, you don't come make you reach out to people and go for help you.
In fact,
then
once you
you
don't
agenda
begin
feel
think like
wrong.
that, the business don't begin die.
Wow.
If you look all the biggest businesses for the world,
Partnership.
partnership. You bring, I bring. You support, I support. All of us there inside. As he come, we share.
You know, say this is our business class, eh? You're not going to end today if we continue like this. So we need to open our phone lines, and then we'll come back to the cocoa of our gist.
Correct.
Yes. So you, when they watch us now, you know how they go every day. You can call us to ask your questions, even make a contribution, and share your experience with us. And the phone lines of your screen right now, now free of charge to call us. You know, go pay ₦1. But don't forget to turn down the volume of your TV, reduce the volume, or cut off your TV before you call us. Now I talk about how when businesses they die.
Yes.
One of the reasons. And that's what we want to discuss today. See that why businesses they fail. So at what point you go look business, say this business,
You don't get future.
you know, die, you know, they die already, or you already die.
See, any business where you want to start now, we no fit find one way or the other, we fit see am for internet. Don't they die?
For this generation.
For this generation, you don't they
You
die.
don't hear Ramo. If your business no dey internet, what do you mean by
Don't
internet?
they die?
Now just social media, or so you go get your website.
No, you see, this matter of social media, in fact, no be the cocoa will come. Make I no go there.
Okay, that one another topic, another day.
Anywhere you see, put yourself. Make I not just go there. Whether you want to put yourself for Facebook or you see Facebook, Twitter,
Instagram.
Tugo, Instagram, all those things. Now then they call social communities.
Okay.
You understand? You follow for internet then divide them into several parts.
Online
So,
communities.
No, social communities. The reason why you call them social communities, we say now where you are go there, you go there. This one talk put, the other one talk put, the other one talk put. But you see, places like websites now, no be social community. People know they talk put. You understand?
Now only you dey put your own
so
stuff for there.
you know go limit. You know feel limit internet. Say internet now just social media. No, it big pass that.
We get a caller online, but we need
Yes,
to come back to why businesses they
Yes.
die. Emmanuel, good morning.
Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah,
welcome.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
I want to talk about the business I started like a month ago, December period. It's a clothing business actually, but the business did not grow to anywhere. It just stopped on the line. Like I had the finance though, but I had no customers. I was putting most of my designers design I had online, most of my clothes online on my Facebook page and Instagram page, but I had no one calling me because I posted my number and all that stuff. I don't know one calling me. So how do I get customers?
All
All right,
right, thank you,
Emmanuel.
Emmanuel, na correct question he asked because it dey happen to people.
Yeah.
You see, when I begin talk this thing, wetin I tell us say business na attitude. Now, Emmanuel no dey here. I for ask am some other questions. You see, now for online community, as him don talk say him posting this thing for online. The question we go ask ourselves: you sure say the people wey follow am for that online na the people wey get money to buy,
or we even need,
or we even need am? Which is him now. Maybe they sell to the wrong audience. You don't carry shoe, go mocks, go sell.
Then they wear shoe enter.
They know they wear shoe enter. You understand? So we need ask ourselves. Say, then another thing what we need to do, you get one underlining that is something where they under, where people no know.
Tell us.
Waiting people no see, and they know hear, they no go fee buy.
Okay.
Waiting people no see and they know hear.
They no go fee buy.
Emmanuel now, he puts the pictures online.
He put the pictures
So people see
online.
am.
How many people see her?
Okay, and who see him?
Because the number of people we see her matter first. Before we can talk, say, oh, then go come by. So Emmanuel now need to look again inside those people where input that thing. Say these people then whether they get the buying capacity to buy. You understand? Then he gets some other way waiting for use. You get what then they call influencer marketing. So as I come Wazobia now, as I see Ogamuyiwa, see Mayowa, see Okemutie, I knock them one design. Then as them do finish, we tell the world, say, see waiting them where. Then we will go come say, ha, Wazobia.
That's it. You can also take back to the relationship where you talk now.
Exactly. So there is, you get what they call market mix. That organa need to look back, say, waiting be my market mix where I pick.
What's the market mix?
Market mix now the different approach of marketing where we go bring together to support that thing where we want to say. It not be just one waiting.
We get another caller on the line. Michael. Michael, good morning.
Good morning.
Hey, welcome.
I was in the peppermint. Get one of my friends that will sell black market. The next thing, police just come, scatter everything, collect and go. So she don't get confused. I don't try how to start when she start the new business, but she says she knows what to go happen next. So I bet what I go feed you.
Okay. For a person like this now, I would like to ask, what will be the role of government for business? Because now this person now they do black market and fuel. So and they will get people who come now scatter the place and all
Now
of
police,
that.
for police to come scatter your business, it means
Like
they draw
illegal business.
Yes. I thank God say she use her mouth talk through say na black market business and they say we na illegal business. The risks they high. But that question where you ask now, a very important question. And they pay me because the Nigerian economy, Nigerian society, African society, the design where you get, they favor business people. Especially small business people. They favor them.
So why it be like that?
It get to do with government policies and how the government they think.
Okay.
Yesterday, I've been to talk with one of my business partners, and he been they share with me, say, he get one opportunity where he get for Obodo Ibo, where him they go for. The idea be say, that particular country, I no go like call their name, we know they advertise them. We suppose they shout our name for World Economic Forum, we will no shout, still they pay me. But that country, what thing then they do? They don't look Africa, say, Africa, money they here, potential they here, market they here. So you know what thing then do? Then put out a kind of form, say, people from Africa, professionals from Africa, we want to make una come our country. Then they pay them more.
I don't know that country.
Then they house them, then they do everything. But you see the end game, when they finish, then go come make you their representative for your country. Then you go come back. You know why? Because as time goes small, 2 years, 3 years, then go on come your country, can't do business. Now you, the man with inside the country, will go be the contact person.
All right.
And you understand the environment.
You see how then they think for their own side. Our people never they think
Mr.
like that.
We get another caller on the line again. Ike. Good morning, Ike. From Old GRA.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Well, good morning.
Good morning, at the answer.
Hello.
Hello, good morning. Would they hear you, Ike?
Hello.
Ike, would they hear you? Go ahead, oh.
Okay. I'll guess. I don't know.
I salute you.
Yes, sir. I really thank God. Was over the travel to bring better guests for us. At least, nothing past this one. A big lectures now, and they take us. I want to ask, because I get one friend there in River State here. He get waiting into some time, and at last now, I can't find out the thing they help him. He gets about 1,000 something friends when he get before. So he can improve, can get so many friends. This one on social media, Facebook. Now, it's time to start business within that. Those friends now within Port Harcourt, within River State. So start this little business when they do. And clothes, just small clothes and shoes. So you can't get lucky, you can't get somewhere where they go continue, they bring clothes. And you can't go to the get a hand, go pick some kind good stuff that can they sample. So when they can they sample this thing for Facebook, with the number, so I can't surprise say, sometimes you come meet me say, see, this person don't call you. Say the person come from Obibo, say like that stuff. Like it was like a joke. I can't say I can't use this means when they sell market. So sometimes those social media they work, like the way you talk, your attitude, your composure, your presentation will feel matters. The relationship where you don't create around people, it helps. Then secondly, my question now is, some business way they do, the man say you got to give them time to learn them from 6 months, from 1 year. So is it possible somebody will know give time to learn those business to succeed the insights? Now my question is that.
Okay.
Thank you, Ike.
Thank you, Ike.
Before you answer the question, we get another Fortune for the line. Fortune from
Zoba.
Hello.
Fortune, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, welcome.
Yes, the guy they talk, and there is one aspect where me I dey fear. And that aspect now the area where you say maybe I get idea, the other person get the money, the other person get the support. Now, what about on the long run? Now me we get idea now you bring money to support me. Then you now see say that idea they bring good things. You use that your influence and your money just knock me out of the business because I know hold the finance, but now me get the idea. Now you don't get that idea. Now you shake me out, continue the business. So now that area they fear me. I think get the idea. Now how I dey safe to let that idea out? The person will hold the finance.
All right, thank you,
Thank you,
Fortune.
Fortune. I like this. This thing, I was
Now,
in most
very,
people
very
they face.
important question where she raised now. But make her see if I go fit, handle everything sharp as
Right.
he did. The first person we call, you get waiting we see. Your person don't been called before, talk say in the sample shirt for online. They say this one call say in the sample, in front the sample, they say the same situation, different people,
Results.
different results. So you go see say you get waiting there inside. Where one of them they do, where one of them no they do. So they worry. The question when him asked about business, we go take
You need
up
to
to
learn.
6
He said you
months
need to
and
learn
all
for
of that.
6 months
You
or
go
1
feel
year.
learn, you go feel succeed. The golden rules now to understand the principle where they inside. How long it take you to learn, no go determine how long or how fast it go take you to succeed when you don't ready. As long as you learn them well, know the ways around, who to meet, who not to meet, what to do, what not to do at the end of the day. Then for this our sister Fortune, we call. Now her name be that.
Yeah,
Abi?
Fortune.
We call. Plenty people don't suffer this thing. But you know why then they suffer them? Then they suffer them because you see our NAIJA people, then they fear that thing what they call contract.
MOU.
MOU.
Memorandum of Understanding.
They no one understand. They just want to go poo like train. As then they see train, then forget say life no be train, say life na road. Because inside that road you go need bend like this. Even train self they bend. Another problem where people get now, what they call blind trust. You say you get waiting, then they talk inside the business world, then go say we go sign the the contract like enemies. We go do the business like friends. Because you see, for this world, human being, not the most variable thing on earth. It can change at any time. But waiting go help you now that document where they ground, where we say if we carry go court, if we carry go anywhere, lawyer go follow, sign the matter. Once people don't see say lawyer follow, enter this matter, nobody go feel use you play.
Not true.
Yeah. So when you don't register for that CAC, as I've been telling you at that time, you now will bring the idea. If you say, as you look the percentage of shares we wanna buy, you now you go take the highest percentage inside. As now you get the idea. Other people now go come share the remaining. You get other matters where involve that sharing of formula to help you, because you get the way to where we go share them. Other people, if they join together, their share go big past your share, then fit come out.
All right, we don't talk plenty already, but before we let you go for the studio, we know say you don't put out work about how principles on how people fit take grow their business. What's exactly with that work they're about, and what will be the principles?
That particular work where I put now for people with the majorly for the entertainment side. Okay. Now I put that particular work, and I try to help them, especially those of us who be Christians, church people, to understand. You get within Christians, they always tell you, say, you know, say everything we pertain for this life, you go see I'm inside Bible, this one, but when the matter strong, they no go fit tell you, say, see you. They'll come say, see am for the eye of the spirit. You say the matter don't hard, they no fit show you where it is. So what I do now be say, I carry those business principles. Now, as I bring them come out, I tell you, say, see where this thing is inside Bible. See as in take waka this thing inside Bible. Then I can show you how to apply it.
If you mention one or two.
One of the principles where I've been talking inside that thing, reputation capital. That's not a big one, I just talk.
Which example be that one?
Well, I've been used the story of Jesus, where we say, you get one story inside the Bible where Jesus did for one corner with him. People come tell them, say, if you enter village or enter this so place, you go see one donkey, carry and come for me.
If they ask
if you read them well, you know, we say, if they ask you, say, if anybody asks you, tell and say, na the master. Say, na Bros J, tell you, say, make it bring I can't ask myself. That time, then get many masters. So. Then get the one where then they call rabbi. Waiting, give them confidence when you go talk, say, if anybody asks you, as if they walk out for road, anybody just ask, tell them, say, na me. Can't realize, say, for that area, they know. Now, waiting, then they call reputation. For that area, when you talk of masters, now him be the number one master. That's why you go fit tell them say, they know the question. You know say, tell them say master, say the master, the very one, the don one. Now send you.
All right. In fact, if we leave you for here, we're not going to come out here today. Okay, but before we let you go, we'll just allow you to call your social media handles so people won't reach you to feel also access your work we don't put out. They go feel also feel access them. So what's your social media handles? How people feel
my social media handle: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. Olumati Isaiah.
Okay, spell the Olumati.
Olumati. Isaiah. ISAIAH. Handle as then they call him at Mr. Olumati. I for Isaiah. Yes.
All right, if you get one last one, go tell business people all what they think to do business. Just one sentence.
For all business people, get just one word where I don't been to tell them since the end of last year. Be brave with your life.
Be brave with your life. Do it afraid. To go all out and take your chances. The world now your own. If only you could go out to take and be brave. Make your mistakes. Fail, stand up again, continue the waka. All right, to say thank you to Olumati Isaiah.
Thank you.
You don't share plenty things. If I attend a lecture, one will go pay enter and a big money, and you go pay to listen to all this, and you don't learn. So
you know, go see seats inside the house.
So you don't learn about reputation capital. Very important to say thank you, and to you too when you stay with us, when you watch us from the beginning of the show to the end. Those when call us to say thank you. And those are behind the scenes, we can say everything going well. We greet you too. And my name now Kemuti. Don't forget to watch show again tomorrow. And I see the hot will come from 11 o'clock to reach 12 o'clock.